My name is Aloy Ejimakor. I'm the Special Counsel to the indigenous people of Biafra and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Supreme Leader of IPOB. I just alighted from the halls of the Federal High Court Abuja, court number 2, presided over by Justice, Honorable Justice Barrister Aloy Ejimakor. And the issue before the court today was supposed to be bail application. But when we came into court today, the government sprang a surprise with an amended charge yet again for the 7th time. This time, though, they were not amending upwards, they were amending downwards. So on their own motion, on the motion of the government, they have now removed 1 charge out of the 7 that were left. From the last time the judge struck out 8. So instead of facing 7 count charges now, the government wants Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to face 6. But you see, the manner of springing this amendment by surprise in the wee hours of the night and not having sufficient days before today serving these charges was something else that created a storm of issues in court. So what happened at the end of the day, to cut a long story short, is that the amendment was kept in abeyance and the court is going to proceed with what it had before, which was the 7 charges. Because if the amendments were accepted today, then there would have been necessity, a procedural necessity for taking a new plea, and that everything would have started de novo, started anew, and there was nobody would accept that as not being manifest injustice. So the court put aside that amendment and decided to proceed with this case, and also with interlocutory application, the bail application. The court denied the bail application, but it didn't deny the bail application absolutely. The court, in its wisdom, says it wants to hear the full story of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to skip his trial back in 2017. And until the court has had that full story, it will now consider him for reinstatement of bail or for the bail. So that is the long and short of what happened today, and the matter stays continued or adjourned to 26th May, and that date is sacrosanct. So we are coming back to court on 26th May. Thank you.
Okay, so we heard that they added the lawyers as part of their campaign.
No, they didn't. I saw some newspaper reports and whisperings. What they were saying as proof of evidence, or part of the attachments to the amended charges, that some of the lawyers to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu were in communication with him after September 2017 when he disappeared. That some of the lawyers were in communication with him when his whereabouts were known. That's all. But I saw some sensationalism to it, that they have been charged as accomplices. No, that's not true.
So what do you think will happen at 26?
Well, 26 will be the day the new bail application, or the reinvigorated, the strengthened bail application shall be moved. With this explanation the judge is asking for, which is to explain why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not make his trial in 2017. And this is where the judgment of Umuchiukwu State High Court will come in. And again, today, the lead counsel, he raised the issue of a certain continental ruling that I, Aloy Ejimakor, had obtained in 2018 on behalf of Nnamdi Kanu and the indigenous people of Biafra. I can't go into the details of the ruling because the continental rules require me to keep the ruling confidential, but it could be disclosed in the judicial proceedings, and that was done today as part of the explanation package of what happened or transpired in 2017 that compared Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to this trial.
So you are certain that very soon Nnamdi Kanu will be out of the whole court process?
Yes, I'm very optimistic. Nnamdi Kanu is eminently qualified for reinstatement of his bail non-proton, meaning relating back, because the events of September 2017 could have compelled anybody not only to jump bail, but to jump news, jump sun, jump everything, jump pepper. Because a moving force, military force, was coming towards him, and he had to move. He had to move himself away from them because he didn't have equal force to repel that. So he did what the human instinct dictates that he does. He took a flight from a risk.
Merely looking at him today, what will you say about his expertise and others?
The health status cannot resolve his conditions cannot resolve on their own. Of course, he has a pre-existing heart condition and has issues with potassium levels in his body, and he has hypertension. So we're asking, people may have all these things, but you see, the condition of detention, the solitary confinement, and the lack of adequate medical care will have a tendency of making these things worse. So what we're asking is an independent medical examination and some kind of access to better medical care. He is awaiting trial. He has no business being in law enforcement custody. If you are awaiting trial in Nigeria, you are sent to prison, correctional center where there are better facilities for your welfare. But this one is an aberration. They are keeping him in law enforcement custody, and that's not normal. And we are still fighting that.
Thank you, sir. Today,
is another savior. Holy, holy, Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another savior. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another savior.